Okay, so the second question, notice that it doesn't specify how high you're supposed to launch or how fast you're supposed to launch or even what you're supposed to launch. So all that is entirely up to you. You can make a nice tall platform, a short platform, doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter how fast you launch your object. The only thing I would caution you is you probably want to keep it on the screen. But you're going to do two trials. One, you're going to fire with some sort of a horizontal velocity. Could be fast, could be slow, doesn't really matter. The other one, the other trial is you're going to actually launch it with no horizontal velocity. You want the object to fall straight down. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this one. Notice, yes, it drops straight down. The question is asking about the time of fall. It wants to know if a ball is dropped from, or an object is dropped from an elevated position at the same time that a second ball is launched horizontally, which ball hits the ground first. Okay, so the way to kind of get to that answer is, well, first of all, notice that along that drop line, there's a bunch of little dots on that blue line. Each of those dots indicates 1/10 of a second. Terrific. So you can actually count those up if you want. The easier way is actually to figure out the time that it took to hit the ground is to just use your little tool here that shows the time when it's hitting the ground. So use your tool for that trial and then use your tool again for the trial when you fire it with a horizontal velocity, and that will guide you to the correct answer.